this session, let us discuss about functionally focused organization, its advantages and disadvantages and functions. Functional organization is a common type of organization structure in which the organization is divided into smaller groups based on specialized functional areas such as IT, finance, and marketing. Marketing manager has to perform different marketing functions such as planning, organizing, directing, motivating, controlling, and coordinating. All these functions aim at achieving marketing goals or organizational goals. Let us discuss about advantages and disadvantages. Functional organizations advantages are: first advantage is specialization. In this type of organization, the workers will become specialists in their work. Then second one is organizational speed. The organization get can enjoy the advantage of organizational speed, then operational clarity, then security, then product workload. These are some advantages of functional organization. Then it is possible for the organization to executive development, facilitates a better executive development. In this type of organization, there is a scope for expansion of business. Then it enjoys the benefit of more efficient business organization. The workers becomes more efficient. Then better control over the workers. Then the disadvantages of functional organizations are: it there is a lack of opportunities for workers in this type of organization. Then it weakening of common bonds. Then there is a lack of coordination between the management and the workers. Then there may be possible possibility of territorial disputes between the workers and the management. Then the functions of functionally focused organizations are: marketing research. Market today, the marketing research plays an important role. The organization has to conduct marketing research regularly for the purpose of product development or for the purpose of manufacturing process. Therefore, it has to conduct the many functions or activities like gathering, recording, analyzing information relating to product. Then the nature of product, it has to decide about the nature of product, nature of competition, methods of marketing, then the movement of products from one stage to another stage. Then major marketing research activities are: measurement of market potential, then analysis of market share analysis, then competitive ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸು. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, ದೆನ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಫಾರ್ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, then establishment of sales quotas and territories, then testing of existing products. The organization has to test the existing product, then product mix studies, acquisition of studies, then study of advertising effectiveness, then media research, pricing studies, plant warehouse location studies, packaging research, then distribution channel studies. The organization has to conduct studies on all these aspects. Then second important function is sales forecasting. The sales forecasting plays an important role in organizational functions. Then only it can take a decision regarding productivity and business activity. Then the factors influencing sales forecasting are government action, economic trend, competition in the market, that is the level of competitors, then changes in technology and markets, then other internal factors. The third important function is the advertising. Nowadays the advertising plays an important role. It attracts the customers towards the product. It provides information relating to product or services. It's a paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods and services by identified sponsor. The It may be in the advertisement may be given by the organization through words, so pictures, diagrams, so sounds, then music, color, shapes, symbol, any other extra forms. Then advertising agencies are research agencies, preparation of copy of art, advertising art, then production, then selection and contact of media. And organization has to perform all these activities. Then commonly used advertising medias. The nowadays the organization has to select advertising good advertising media to attract the customers towards the product. It can use newspapers, radios, television, or direct mail. Then magazines. The organization can give advertisement through magazines also, trade journals, business reviews, technical journals, etc. Then public transportation. The organization also may also use public transportation such as bus, rail, etc. Then outdoor billboards, then exhibits and displays, so then slides in cinemas, so then catalogs, so samples, so handout leaflets, so then distributing gifts, so pencils, so calendars, so the organization can attract customers by giving gifts, so then after sale services, so etc. With this I conclude this session of functions of functionally focused organization. Thank you.